Are we there yet?
Yeah!
Almost, sweetie. Wow, look at that ocean. It's so beautiful.
Can we go swimming? Welcome to the Grand Hyatt. How can I help you today?
We're checking in. I'm going to go first. No, I want to go first.
It's mine!
Jenny Perky! No, it's mine! Children, now, let's calm down. Yay! Hooray! Building it this way. No, I want to build it this way. Oh no!
Is she all right?
Mommy?
It's okay, little one. We're almost there. It's all right. We are just going for a little dip.
Look out! I'm gonna win! Wow, it's so warm in here. And look at all the books!
Quite the sanctuary from the storm.
Watch out! Here comes the great library dragon!
Wow, he's amazing.
What is that?
Where did it come from?
It just appeared. Wow, look at that!
Incredible!
What is this magic? Look, they're everywhere. It's magic. They're beautiful.
I have never seen anything like this.
Look.
What is that?
It's beautiful. It's pulsating. I've never seen anything like it. Wow, look at it. Finny, be careful. Wow, what is it?
I've never seen anything like it.
It's beautiful.
I've never seen the garden look quite this magical. It's breathtaking, isn't it?
Wow, look at them all. It's beautiful. I've never seen anything like it. Ta-da! Look what I made for you, Finny.
He absolutely loves it, honey.
Good job brushing your teeth, sweetie. Let's get your face washed up now.
It's okay, Finny. You're gonna do great.
We'll be right here when school lets out, okay, buddy? Hello there, Finny. We are so happy to have you join us at Little Paws.
Hello.
It's okay, sweetie. You're gonna have so much fun. Everyone, please welcome Finny.
Hi, Finny. Welcome to our class.
Just a little longer, they're turning golden brown. I think I did a great job on this one. It looks delicious.
Just don't drop it before I finish this tree.
Wow, that looks absolutely perfect. You've really
outdone.
up.
Perfect. Now for the button. Race you to the top of the hill! You're on! My new train!
Here you are, dear.
Merry Christmas!
Oh, thank you. What a wonderful night. The fun, you came for the lights. Now let's sing a song and grab a prize tonight. The fun, you came for the lights. Now let's sing a song and grab a prize tonight. The greatest little carnival show is finally here. Wow, a perfect shot.
See them! Keep looking!
There they are. Oh, thank goodness you're safe.